Hey guys, today I'm sharing the top remote job boards for beginners in 2025. Whether you're entering the digital workforce or switching to remote work, these platforms are beginner friendly, legit, and easy to use. First, Flex Jobs for no scam confidence. Starts with a small subscription, but every job is hand vetted. No scams or outdated listings. Great if you want peace of mind. You get access to thousands of remote, freelance, and flexible jobs with a clean dashboard. Second, we work remotely, which is a tech and creative focused. One of the most established remote boards, perfect for developers, designers, marketers, or support roles. It's free, easy to filter by role, and posts from big names like Basecamp and Amazon. Third, Remote.co, beginner and non-tech friendly. Curated remote jobs across industries including customer service, education, and writing. Plus, it provides companies insights and remote work tips, great for those just starting out. Fourth, Jobspresso. It is a quality over quantity job board. Smaller curated board featuring remote roles in tech, marketing, and customer support. No login needed to browse. Perfect if you want fewer high quality listings. Fifth, Remote OK, a tech jobs with transparency. It features tags like salary or tech stack updated daily. See payments estimates upfront, ideal for devs, data analysts, and digital nomads. 6. AngelList or Well Found, which is a startup enthusiast. It focuses on startup jobs in tech, sales, and growth roles. You don't need a resume, use your profile instead, and founders can reach out directly. It is great for early career growth. Seventh, Remotive, a community-driven and global job board. It is tech, marketing, and customer support jobs worldwide. It also offers a chat community which is helpful for beginners looking for support and networking. And lastly, Upwork, gig work to full time. A huge freelancing platform perfect for starting with small projects and building your reputation. You only pay when you get hard. There are pro tips for beginners. Set up job alerts and apply daily. Tailor your resume and cover letter for each listing. Start with short gigs or part-time roles or going full-time. If you're new to the remote job world, these platforms cover all your needs, whether you're into tech, creative, or general remote roles.